First of all, they shortlisted the students on the basis of CGPA criteria, which was 7. And from our college, the branches which appeared for the test were computer science, electronics and electrical, and both BTech and MTech streams were appeared in the examination. The written test comprised of two sections. First was the aptitude section, which was a bit lengthy, and the second one was technical section, which tested the basics of computer engineering. The time allotted was 30 minutes for each section. From our college, 45 students appeared, and out of them, 3 students were selected. Out of 3, I was one, and we were called for an on-site interview at Delhi at NSIT College. At that, the interview was divided into 2 phases. First one was technical, and second one was HR. Those who cleared the technical section went through the HR, and then the final shortlist was selected. In the technical section, there was a single panel member who was sitting, and he started with a simple basic data structure question to find out the transpose of a matrix. Now, in general, we find the transpose of a matrix from the top left corner towards the bottom right corner, the diagonal, and I did that program in 2 or 3 minutes, and after that he asked me to calculate the transpose of, write a program to transpose of a matrix on the reverse diagonal as well. This was a tricky question, as we have to check many boundary conditions to satisfy that. Then he moved towards some theoretical questions like what are the difference between software interrupt and hardware interrupt. And then he asked me about the various addressing modes that we have in computer hardware. The first one that I answered was register direct, in which the value is directly stored in the computer register. The second one was register indirect, in which we have the address at which the data is stored. And then the third one was immediate, in which we give the address at which of the memory location at which the data is stored. And then he asked me whether the base address of an array can be changed, and I answered him no, it cannot be. And then he asked me my final question of the interview, and then he asked me to write shipping quality code for that. The question was to insert a node into a sorted doubly linked list, and it took me about 3 to 4 minutes to write the code for that program. And then he asked me since when you are doing coding, and I told him since my second year of my BTech I'm doing coding regularly. So he told me, okay, I'm done with you and you can wait outside for your HR round. My HR round started with a basic question, and he asked me about the feedback of the previous round, and I told him that I was able to answer most of the questions, as answering all the questions was sound too overconfident. And then he asked me to introduce myself. I started with my basic introduction, like what are my educational qualifications, my parents' education qualifications, from where I did my schooling, and then I moved towards my summer internship. And then he asked me why you want to join Ethium. I told him the work that I did in my summer internship was quite similar to the work that I will be doing in Ethium, and also Ethium is a small company, so it will be valuing its employees more, and I will be able to gain more technical knowledge than any other company in this field and with this employee strength. And then he asked me like what are your positive points and negative points. In my positive points, I told him that I am a very honest person, and due to this honesty I was selected as the branch coordinator for the placement session of my year. And then he asked me like what are your more positive points. I told him that I am very sincere towards the work given to me, and I am a very hardworking person. And regarding the negative points, I told him that since I am very sincere towards my work, and if I work in a team, I expect my other team members also to work with the same sincerity as I do. And if they don't work and I don't like that thing, so this is my negative point. And he sounded very impressed with me with that. And then he asked me like if I had any questions for him, and then I asked him since when like you are in which team in this company. And then he told me that he was the director of human resource of Ethium since 6 years. And then I asked me like what are your previous experiences of the companies that you have worked in, and he told me that he has been working in HP, Norton Antivirus and Texas Instruments, and he told me that he switched to Ethium because he wanted to switch in a company that valued employee more, and since Ethium is a very small company, so he will be able to brush up his HR skills very much if he work in Ethium. And then he gave me a form in which there were basic HR questions, and he told me to fill out those outside. And in that form, the basic question was like about my recent projects that I did, and what was my role in that, and what are leadership qualities that I have, and what all skills I have learnt in my 4 years of BTech. And then I handed over the form to him, and he told me that I was selected, and he immediately signed the offer letter and gave it to me. And yeah, thank you. For Ityam, I would suggest like your technical skills has to be very strong, and since the aptitude paper was a bit lengthy, proper time management you must also keep in mind regarding the proper time management. And in the coding round, as they asked me about to write a shipping quality code, I would suggest that if you write a code, then you just test it after writing it, and do not jump at immediate conclusions, and rather give your answer to the interviewer. And then if you properly test your code and give the correct answer to the interviewer, then it creates a very nice impression of you.